buying your dream house is one thing. That's for you, you know. But when you make an investment, that's for your future. We'd never even considered things like this before. We just thought, we'll buy a house that we like and we'll live in it. My name's Mara Diaga and I am a caretaker. We ended up buying a 2-bedroom townhouse through the property factory. When I started looking properly for a property, then I didn't know what I was doing at all, you know. Complete newbie to the scene. Didn't know what to look out for, building reports and things like that, and finance and all the stuff that's involved. I had no clue. And it's all quite intimidating. You know, you go and look at houses, but you think, I don't know, how am I supposed to make a good choice? When I rang Kim, he was the first person who asked me really good questions about what I wanted. Ultimately, we would quite like to live in our dream house, somewhere amongst the trees and nature, and he made, suggestions along the lines of, be smart with your money, make a good investment. We looked at lots of different options and eventually realized that probably it would be not a smart idea to buy our dream house. So now we've ended up in a really nice townhouse that is super comfy and we'll be really happy for a few years in it. But it's an investment, and one day buy something beautiful in the countryside. In a world where I'm just looking online and there's all these advertisements and estate agents who are just representatives of a sale, he was a person who engaged with me as another person. He didn't just seem like he was trying to sell us something. He seemed like he was actually giving us really valuable free advice. We felt no pressure to buy the properties that they had on offer. It felt like we could easily go another way. But he'd gained our trust by that point, so we were quite keen to see what they had. The moment that we got the keys and walked into the house for the first time was a really special moment. We were super excited to move in and finally have a place to call home. I would definitely recommend the property factory to anyone looking to buy because they're very human. They support you and find out what you need and guide you through the whole process. It's been amazing. Like, the sense of peace that we've both experienced has been huge, and we feel really settled and really happy.